Alright, so we are here at the 2025 Florida RV Super Show, and we are about to check out the Grand Design Lineage. It's right over here, so let's go check it out. Alright, so this is the 2025 Grand Design Lineage Series F31ZW. Now this right here is at the Tampa RV Show, the Florida RV Super Show, and this RV is a little bit different than the ones that will be in production, so just keep that in mind. But let's take a look at the specs that we do have right now. So you've got a gross vehicle weight rating of 22,000 pounds, a total length of 33 feet 9 inches, a total height of 12 feet 3 inches, and this RV sleeps 6, and the MSRP is under 300,000. So this right here is a show debut at the Florida RV Super Show, and this RV we're going to be taking a look at today has the fog exterior paint. Now there's so many other paint jobs coming soon, but even if it's just a solid color, it's still full body paint. Alright, so let's go ahead and start up front, where you have the front overhead cab that is a little bit different than most RVs because it has a bed up there, but it does not extend past the front windshield, which is something that you don't see very often, and I really like it because it doesn't obstruct your view. And this RV sits on the Ford F600 Super Duty chassis. You've got a Ford Raptor looking front, as well as a Rhino-Line front bumper. And then check out this, you've got a blackout package on the wheels. I've been seeing this so much at the RV show this year. And then you've got all sorts of heavy duty upgrades from Fox Racing suspension. As you can see, this RV has so many nice features and upgrades, but there's so much more to see, so let's go ahead and check out the opposing campside, where you have a pretty good sized slide out with an awning topper, and this RV has acrylic windows, which are a little bit different than what most RVs have. And then check this out, you've got storage bays all along each side of this RV. Down here you've got one that does partially pass through to the other side, and this box right here is for the Lippert telescopic ladder for the ladder prep towards the back that you'll see in a minute. Over here you have one of two diesel fuel fills. You've got one up on the front and then one here towards the back, and then beneath that you have another little compartment for your sewage hose. Right here is your dumping and water station area that is fully heated and enclosed. And then over on the back you've got this little storage compartment that has a wind-up reel that you push a button and it reels up your power cord for you. On the back of this RV you have your backup camera, and then you have a towing hitch that can tow 15,000 pounds, as well as a tongue weight of 1,500 pounds. So really nice towing capacity on this Super C. And this right here is the Lippert ladder prep that I was talking about a little bit ago. But check this out, this right here is what this RV looks like at night. So you have this LED strip that runs all the way around, so it's kind of like an underglow lighting that just sits like a foot or two off the ground. But overall, I'm really liking this paint job on the exterior, this one solid color. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. But let's go ahead and check out the campside of this RV. So here on the campside you have one slide out. You've got double steps to get into the entry, then you've got a TV as well as your Rockford Fosgate sound system, and then you've got an outlet next to it. Heading towards the back of this RV, you've got the Truma AquaGo hot water heater. This right here is a really good product, so as you can tell, they're definitely putting quality products on this RV. You've got a little storage bay under here, and then check this out. This right here is sort of like a exterior storage bay that is accessible through the inside too. So that right there is a little door, but I believe the layout of this is going to be changing just a little bit. Not sure, but we'll definitely have to see once this RV is out of the prototyping stage. You've got a oversized slide out where your bed sits. Then you've got an armless awning here on the exterior. And here at the 2025 Florida RV Super Show, you have a show price of $229,995. I'm ready to head inside this RV, so let's check it out. Up front, you've got a really large bed up above the front cab. You've got a window with an electric retractable shade. And then check this out, you've got these little safes in the headrest, so that's a really cool feature. And then you've got the really nice interior of the F600, and then your rear view mirror is a digital display of the backup camera. And there's a couple more things to see with this overhead bed. You've got cup holders on each side, and then you've got some controls for the retractable front as well as a outlet, and then some dimmable reading lights. Heading over to the living room / dining room area, You've got Technoform Italian cabinetry that has soft closed doors, and you've got cabinets that run all the way along this slide out. You've got theater seating here with cup holders and then electric recline, as well as USB-C and standard USB charging. You've got a dinette over here that drops down into a bed, and you also have cup holders in the table, and then you've got windows that wrap all the way around. You also have some pull-out drawers underneath of each booth seat, which is really nice. Same sort of handle where you push in, the handle pops out, and then you can grip it to pull out the drawer. So really nice. And then let's go ahead and head to the back bedroom. Back here you have a king-size bed with windows on each side, as well as some overhead cabinets and some reading lights. Across from the bed you have a TV, and then in the very back of this RV you have a really large wardrobe with tons of cabinet space. And you also have motion sensing lights, and these cabinets are soft close. Next to the bedroom is the bathroom, where you have a porcelain foot flush toilet, vanity with a large medicine cabinet up above, and then you have a huge shower with a skylight. And this RV is equipped with a washer and dryer, which is a really nice feature, especially if you're traveling on the road full time. But even if you're not, it's nice to be able to not have to bring so many clothes for a long trip, because you have the ability to wash them yourself, especially if you don't want to use a laundromat. And then you have a vent fan in the kitchen. And check this out, the ceiling of this RV is black, which is something that you don't really see. Over here you have your control system, and then you have a flip-up countertop that is actually flush with the solid surface countertops. You have a large farmhouse sink with a cup sprayer, as well as a cutting board, and then you have a TV up above that sits directly across from the theater seating. You have a residential sized microwave, as well as an oven with a 3-burner cooktop. Then you have a pull-out freezer with a large fridge up above. This right here is a pretty awesome RV. What do you guys think? This is a new model to the industry and is actually Grand Design's second motorized RV, but their first Super C. This RV is pretty cool. If you enjoyed this tour, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you on the road.